Hey guys, this is Cubers Cubed, and today we have two unboxings from Amazon. So, uh, let's get into it. I ordered this from the same order, but they come at different times since it was Amazon Prime. Sorry, there's something else in there, so I just wanted to take that out. But this is the Guoguan 2x2. So, I'm looking forward to that. But let's open this one as well. So, I'm not sure what this one is. Alright, there's something else in that one too, but I took it out. Ooh. This is a 2x2 ghost cube, which is really cool. So these are the two puzzles. So I'm gonna open this one first. Alright, so let's open it. We got a pamphlet, a cube, this plastic wrap, alright, we got that Guoguan logo, which I really like. So let's do first turns. Alright. It's a little dry. A little loose too. It's pretty smooth though. Yeah, that turns pretty good. It's probably gonna be my main, because my other one's the Tangpo, and that catches a lot, but this seems to have no catching at all. The only issue that I might think could happen is corner twist, because that twists pretty easily, but that turns really good. I like the way it feels. Yeah, that's really good. So let's open up the ghost cube. Alright. I have no idea how to turn this. Alright. So, it doesn't turn the best. It's blocky. Kind of locks when it turns over another line, but it's okay. It's good enough turning quality that it'll be a good solve. So, I'm going to go solve this and do a couple averages on this, and then come back and tell you how they are. Actually, you know what? I'm just gonna scramble this up so you can see how it looks, and then I'll solve it in another video. And I'll do an average with the 2x2 so you can see how that is. But let's scramble this up. This looks insane. I have no idea how I'm gonna solve it. Alright. So that's it, all scrambled up. But yeah, thank you for watching. I'm probably gonna have another unboxing out soon, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, see you in the next video. Bye.